So the key question now, after this study has shown that, is how Aubagio was able to accomplish this task. And certainly we need to understand better what's going on. As you know, Aubagio has a dual effect on T cell as well as B cell immunity. Probably the B cell immunity is much more related to development of cortical pathology. It is well known that there are lymphoid germinal centers in the meninges of MS patients which are contributing to so-called cortical subpia lesions. The cortical atrophy is highly related to development of the cortical lesions in the brain, and particularly those lesions that are invisible on conventional MRI, which we call cortical subpia lesions. They are not inflammatory and situated in the third layer of the cortex. So usually, because they are not inflammatory, any anti-inflammatory therapies has no effect on these lesions. So to find that with Aubagio we found an indirect, at least, effect, because we didn't look the cortical lesions, but we looked the consequence of cortical lesions, which is development of cortical atrophy, is very encouraging. In terms of how Aubagio can really accomplish this, I think one would be the B cell story. The other possibility could be an antiviral effect against the Epstein-Barr virus. The Epstein-Barr virus is probably the main contributor, as we publish in a number of studies, to development of cortical atrophy in patients with MS. So now this work is not done. We need hopefully to get further and understand whether Aubagio can alter a humoral response to Epstein-Barr virus, and maybe that would be one of the mechanisms that can explain these results.